hot up, man. Wicked tea this, you know. It's a nice tea, you know.
What's the tea that you drank the most when you were living in the jungle? Most popular tea for the Rastas.
Yo, that you know clean that. Roots tonic. Just go get the roots them and chop them, put them in the water and boil them a man time and drink tea. Roots more, we most drink in the jungle, you know.
What kind of root?
All type of stick. We can make tonic processes to keep us fit, you know. Tonic. Roots, pure roots, we drink a jungle, man. We drink roots with water, you know. Like when you want water, and they drink some roots. That time it's cold. Whole big pile, whole big pot, everybody just drink.
Share it with everybody.
Yeah. Sometimes we cook all food, you know, and left it in our hut there, you know. Come back, we see some little small food, you know. When we take a sack, we cook some nice cornmeal flour dumpling. And we look down and in the hut, you know, all dry, you know, man. And we keep it clean like the yard, yeah. So when the foot walk in there, so we see these two little teeny foots in the jungle. We can't say, what could I watch? I'll do these little teeny foot. Watch us, we can eat out with food. I'll be back turn. Make some huge caramel dumpling and saltfish, you know. Yeah, man, and cabbage we have in the jungle there I eat, you know. Just keep back. And the jungle then I eat fish, river fish, bird, all kind of nice thing, drink no soup. So when we look around, walk all about, we track the foot. And go down, we go to two little man in the bush down, so you know. I watch fish steal us again, you know, man. But what the fuck can I do here? You want to kill no boy? Don't come back here, so you don't come eat out no more. Eat out every food. We go work and cover it up and left the food. That's when you come back now, we not have to cook. We just drink some tea. That's our plan. We just drink some tea because we not cook, you know. And then when we come, we see the whole pot of our food. All dumpling and saltfish and cabbage gone to fuck up, man. Oh shit. Somebody watch us. Like ambush.
Yeah. Ambushing you for food.
Yeah, man.
Did you ever find out who it was?
Yeah, man.
Who was it?
Yeah, man. Some other guys.
Rasta guys?
No, man. Baldhead man ain't gonna ambush.
Baldheads.
Baldhead
food stealers.
Yeah, man. Watch me, you know. That fuck up, man. Crazy asshole, them. Watch me. And then we find out who. We try to come back. And you know, then still go and thief. And in a couple of years back, like 5 years back or 10 years back, then do the same thing, thief some man ganja too. A man kill them. Kill one of them.
Really? For stealing ganja?
Yeah, the thief. The fucking thief. And then used to come thief out with food on the dark jungle, you know. Watch you like how we are cook with good food, you know, man, and it take time. Fuck up here and I, man. Just it's all everywhere we go. A whole heap of man dead in the jungle, you know.
Wow.
Man dead in there, fuck. Man not plant food. And we are share food with man. Every time them man they come there, but we they far from them man they. Then the man they just come from town and do them fuck and steal a jungle there. And man decides say, you know what, we're gonna kill them, you know. And then start to eat out man pumpkin, eat out everything we man have there. That's the plan. I'm actually then start then a ramp, then eat out your dashi and eat. So till man get vexed and started to poison them out, kill them out now.
Wow, how does he poison them?
Well, I must have put, I don't know when he was, you know, must grab her.
Like you put it on the plants growing and then they'd steal it?
Yeah, upon the food and kill them out to blood. So enough money come in at the hills there. and get fucked and dead. Enough man don't want to work. Enough man is want to smoke ganja and lie down in a camp there, you know. It's enough ganja for smoke. Man just lie down in there and eat and drink and... But me never have that attitude. Every man that come on my bush, he must be work.
Yeah, it's not an easy life. You gotta.
No, you have to work. You have to go far in a bush.
It's a reverse, or right now?
The man belly around, but his father gives something to eat.
Okay.
You know, what we see what?
Got some tough fucking life, Matthew. We go through in jungle. Not a easy road. Plant up some ganja, you know. Plant up my herb so nice. A man come and thief it, you know, watch we, you know. Come right at the road mouth, you know, Matthew. And take over ganja, you know.
Is that the worst kind of thief?
The worst kind of one that guy, he come watch you, you know, and to say you don't die your farm. You leave in. So you have to come back tomorrow. That's why now we start to sleep a bush on your herb.
Protect it.
Yeah. Some man got deer for your harm. Some man got all kind of fuckery for your herb, you know. You won't make a man to come there and come steal your things and to get away. It's easier and die.
This pear going on.
Yeah.
I am amazed at the color of the pear. It's so bright, and the seed is so huge compared to what we get at home. It looks like neon. Is there a lot of different types of pear?
Yes, sir. Some like how you say the skin easy to come off. Whole heap of them. They don't go this one. This one difficult. But we in Jamaica have the nice one then. We have the white one, we have the black one, all type of pear, Matthew.
I remember getting a huge one here before. I'd never seen them that big when we did eggs toast pear years ago. The surgeon at work.
Them know it what, Matthew? Some people know it what?
Yeah, they call it
avocado.
Yeah, avocado.
You could have taken them out to Matthew.
Could, yeah. I'd probably mash them up more.
Get them roots,